snatch. It has been a hot, too bright, too dim, off. Hi guys! Welcome back to Chefe's Kitchen. Ooh, I missed you guys. Goddamn. I missed being in front of the camera. It's not really you guys I miss looking at myself in the camera. That's what I miss. Sorry to say. I feel like I do this I come back and then I go away for 2 weeks and I come back and I know it's emotional for you guys and I know you can't handle it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Before I even get into this video, I want to thank everybody that's bought a Chefe's Kitchen package. Or a mug. If you just bought a mug, my cheeks are hurting already, look. Oh. Composure. Okay, wait, let's go again. Thank you to everyone that's bought a package. Thank you for everyone that I know. I can see you putting it in your cart. I can see you doing it. Just click the order now. I can see you put, like, it's so funny that I can see people put it in their cart and I'm just like, okay, are you gonna buy it now or are we waiting? Like are we waiting? That's so much. I really hope that you guys are enjoying the packages and I hope that they come useful to you. Keep showing me love. www.chefeskitchen.com. Follow me on Instagram. Support has been crazy. I can't. I need to take a quick break from here's me taking a break. Anyway, we'll get. I need to take a quick break. I need the Chefe's Kitchen orders. I need to sort out my life. I needed to refine. I need to refine my content for you guys. I want to make stuff that you guys actually want to see. Like, I don't want to be making all the stuff that you guys don't want to see. So I'm gonna make stuff that you want to see, and that's what it's gonna be. Okay? You feel me? Do you? Oh wait. Let's try again. I want to make people want to see. You feel me? No, forget it. On today's episode of Chefe's Kitchen, we're doing something different. You know how I keep saying I want to make food that you guys actually want to see? Yeah, I'm not doing that right now, but trying to get people to be more interactive with Chefe's Kitchen. So what I did is I asked Snapchat to pick a number between 1 and 50. Why, you wonder? My friends keep sending me like these taste made videos or these twisted TV videos or like Insta cooking videos. So I decided that today that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make one of the twisted videos. If you haven't seen them on Instagram, they're called Twisted. And there's like the Instagram food people, like they make these Insta food videos. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I asked Snapchat to pick a number between 1 and 50. Whatever number that is picked, I'm gonna go through the list. I'm gonna count along, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that number. Whatever they're making, we gonna make it today. We gonna try. The numbers that you guys picked, I got a number 15, 22, 25, 45. Oh, I don't know. I'll just go with the first one I picked. That was number 15. Okay, let me go on to Twisted now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. Oh, I am here for it. Do you know what number 15 is? Do you know what number 15 is? Number 15 is a giant spring roll stuffed with lasagna. Yeah. We doing number 15. This is the one we're doing. We're doing it. We are making a giant spring roll stuffed with lasagna. Woo! Trust that to be number 15. No, that's right up my street. That's right up my street. So I'm just gonna quickly watch it properly and then we're gonna cook. Let us get into this first challenge. Let's get into the ingredients. Oh god. It doesn't tell me what I need beforehand. Oh god. Okay, wait. Let me get the ingredients. Let me show you guys. First things first, we need some beef. An onion. Carrots. Nope. Out. You know what's really annoying about this video so far? I have to watch the whole thing like several times to know what I need to put in it. Like, why can't you tell me everything at the beginning? That's so frustrating. This is so impractical. I'm frustrated. Guys, this is really frustrating because there's no ingredient list. Like I'm finding out what I need as the video goes on, and I don't have some of this stuff, and I'm really frustrated.
Into that fat, we're going to add some tomato puree. This gives a beautiful...
I want to do it how he did it. This is so impractical.
Just let it cook away really gently and really let it up in about 4 hours.
4 hours? There was no way in the hell that I'm letting anything cook in my oven for 4 hours, no sir. 4 hours. I ain't doing none of that. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am not doing 4 hours. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. He said he's infusing milk for an hour. I actually don't have time to do all of that stuff. So guess what? I'm not gonna do it. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make lasagna how I usually make lasagna. I'm gonna make the beef. Here we go. Here you go. You're gonna get lasagna video from me today. You're gonna get lasagna and we're gonna wrap it in the giant thing. You've been asking for it. You've been begging for it. You're gonna get a brief lasagna tutorial. And then I'm gonna wrap it in a spring roll. You're welcome. Let's forget all of this. So, here's what we need to make lasagna. Mincemeat, an onion, garlic clove. Of course you need lasagna sheets, salt, paprika powder, crushed chilies, tomato puree, butter, black pepper, chopped tomato, milk, and Maggi cubes. Because we're making a giant spring roll, we need spring roll pastry. We don't have much shopping to do. I'm just gonna cut the onions, cut the gardeners, and we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna cook it, okay? Okay. I'm gonna add the onions, the garlic, then the peppers. Then I'm gonna add the mincemeat, garlic, and peppers. And on Twisted, added it in sections, but I just feel like this video is so impractical, so we're just gonna add the whole bag. See, this is where people go wrong with their lasagna. Let me tell you what you're doing wrong. A lot of the people I know season their sauce. You don't want to do that. You need to season the meat, son. Season the meat, son. Just add a little bit of salt, a dash of salt. We're gonna add some paprika powder, a dash of that as well. We're gonna add some chili flakes. A dash, honestly, a dash. You already know my measurements. That's my metric system. A dash. A Maggi cube. Black pepper. Garlic powder. This is a sweet jar. Yes, it is. Reduce, reuse, recycle. And some oregano. What you do is you want to give it a little taste. You want to taste it a little bit. You want to taste your work. All-purpose seasoning. Now we need to add some tomato puree. Okay, add the tomatoes. Alright, and you're gonna let this cook on medium heat until the tomatoes are cooked and there's a little liquid. Now we're gonna go over to that side of the stove and we're gonna make a quick cheese sauce. You're gonna add the butter, you're gonna add the flour, you're gonna add the milk, and then yeah, that's it. That's literally it. Adding our flour, our plain flour. Now we're gonna add our milk. Parsley for color. The obliquum is done. If you come back over here, look at that. Ooh, let's zoom in, let's zoom in. How brown that is looking, lovely and brown. Look at that. Yeah, lasagna sheets and some water and some oil just to cook them because they need to be pre-cooked. Move this to the side. My spring roll sheets. I need 4 of them to begin with. I'm literally just following this guy at this point in time, so nobody judge me, okay? What's he using to stick them together? Let me check. Here's my bowl of water and here's my brush. And he went like this, and then stuck that one on top, and like this, and stuck this side on top. Oh, I need 4 layers. This is the last layer, so that's 4 there. I'm so scared. What the hell am I doing? Who even asked for this? This is like one of those tweets. Nobody. Absolutely nobody ever. Chefe. And we're done. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to do this without my storage filling up. He went like this. He put a little bit of the thing, then he takes a lasagna sheet, places that right there. Then he takes some of this, and he takes some of this. I did about 5-6 layers of my lasagna spring roll thing, and then I realised that the cheese I was putting had actually expired. So I had to take those off with my bare hand and throw them away. And I'm starting again, and my lasagna sheets have been in the water for too long. So now they're all stuck together. So I don't know what I'm going to do to make these sheets anymore. And I just left that the cheese sauce on the fire. And like, it's like not gotten in, but it's just overdone. And I just don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore, no. But we moved, so just bear with me, bear with. I don't want, bear with. We're gonna complete this as best as we can, man. I'm tired, I'm over it. As you can see, like, there's a whole last mess here. These are what my sheets look like right now. We just patch it together. That is so sad. Brush the edges with water. Like, his is so perfect, like, we get it. Like, whatever. Don't trust these videos, man. They're all a scam, man. What the hell? Because no. And then he says you fold over and tuck it inside like so. And then you fold this side over. Oh, okay, we're stuck to the table. Then you fold this side over. Yeah. And then you fold this side over. And then we this isn't even gonna be like, oh, see, it's already splitting. Gone to absolute doo-doo. Gone to it. This is just gonna kind of completely come through the deep fryer. Here, look. That's what we're gonna do. Close it up. Here we go. Here is my giant spring roll thingy. I'm gonna take it over to the deep fryer. I'm gonna place it in because I'm over it. This is gonna explode. Like, I can feel it. Here we have the deep fryer. It literally just about fits in there. It's going to explode. Like, it's going to explode. But I've got a spoon so I can baste it or whatever. I'm not in the mood, man. Let's go. It's even too, look, it's even lifted the whole deep fryer in this tin. It's even too heavy. Okay, cool. Ready? Let's get it. Let's let that cook out until it's all brown and that. Ah! The bit that I thought was gonna break didn't even break. Do you think that's done? I don't know. Let me look at what he did. Okay, I think we're done. So I'm gonna turn off this deep cook fryer without giving myself third-degree burns. Somehow I need to get this onto a plate. Do I just tip it? I'm scared. I'm so scared, guys. Look, my hand is shaking. Okay, so here we have a giant spring roll filled with lasagna. Is it safe to say that this is a pass? Because I think I passed it.
We did it!
Okay, guys, let's attempt to cut it.
We did it! Hooray!
It's just too crispy. I'm scared. Ooh. Oh, it's exploding out of the side. He said inside would be perfect, but obviously, I mean, it ain't half bad. What? God. Chefe, even out of all the trials and tribulations, you still, okay, don't embarrass me. You still shelled it. He was not lying when he said that banged. I'm not gonna lie. So guys, thank you for watching. That's been Chefe's Kitchen, where I failed and then passed this challenge. I made a giant spring roll filled with lasagna and it actually goes down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Even while doing this video, I just got another pack order. So if you haven't ordered a uni pack, what is you doing, son? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you what are you doing? Remember, eat well, eat healthy. Well, I mean, this isn't really healthy, but you know, eat well, eat healthy, and eat right. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.